First up on the deal list, Dow component Visa aggressively expanding its global footprint with its biggest acquisition ever. The company is bringing Visa Europe back into the fold after the two separated 9 years ago. The stock was off about 3% today, but that was mostly on an earnings miss. Mary Thompson has more now on Visa's $23 billion buy.
Buying Visa Europe means Visa is now truly everywhere you want it to be. Paying more than $23 billion for the European bank-owned Visa Europe gives San Francisco-based Visa Inc. access to 38 new countries and 500 million new cardholders. Europe becomes Visa's second largest market behind the U.S. CEO Charlie Scharf telling analysts on a call the deal fills in a critical piece missing from Visa's global footprint.
This transaction does create a truly integrated global leader that will allow us to capitalize on strong growth opportunities in a highly attractive region.
Now, like smaller rival MasterCard, Visa's global profile will be unified, resulting in $200 million in cost savings, along with added earnings soon after the deal closes.
We expect it to be accretive to our standalone revenue and EPS growth before transaction costs beginning in fiscal year 2017, the first full year of the combination.
The world's largest electronic payments firm paying cash, preferred stock, and an earnout to investors based on the new company meeting certain revenue targets. To fund the cash portion, Visa's raising $15 to $16 billion in debt while promising to continue its tradition of aggressive buybacks. Visa aiming to buy back enough stock over the next few years to offset the dilutive impact of the preferred stock it's issuing for the deal. In addition to the Visa Europe purchase, Visa reporting fourth quarter earnings a bit below estimates. The stronger dollar and higher client incentives hitting results, two factors behind the firm's modest outlook for fiscal 2016. Still, analyst Keith McVeigh saying the Visa Europe deal positions Visa in the right place in a market still offering great growth potential.
People move away from cash and more towards credit. You get a lot of focus on the U.S. in terms of GDP, but to us, where the real opportunity is globally, as you start to see people use their smartphones more for purchases, particularly in developing markets, they're front and center for that.
Visa charging ahead with a plan to keep it at the forefront of the global payments industry. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Mary Thompson.